Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Michael. I'm a former serial cheater who spent over a decade living that double life. And now I help individuals and couples recover from infidelity and rebuild trust the right way. Today, we're going to talk about something that most people get completely wrong. The only way, and I do mean the only way to rebuild trust is to make sure that what broke it the first time does not break it again. Now that sounds obvious, but most couples completely miss this. What usually happens after cheating is something like this. The unfaithful partner admits they were wrong. They apologize. They start spending more time with their spouse. They communicate more. They go to church. Perhaps they buy more gifts. They try to be more affectionate, and don't get me wrong, all of these things are good, but let me ask you this. What if they made all of those changes, but underneath it all, still do not understand why they cheated? They don't understand their patterns. They don't understand their triggers. They don't understand their avoidance. And if you don't understand something, how can you make sure that it doesn't happen again? Everyone is trying to repair their relationship while ignoring the very thing that broke it. Because so long as the root cause isn't discovered and cured, cheating remains an option. Now, here's something people don't realize. Cheating is not random. It's actually a progression, and it happens in stages, which is actually why I created the 9 stages of infidelity, discovering root causes and curing cheating at its source. Because cheating doesn't appear out of nowhere. There are emotional patterns, belief systems, coping mechanisms, and identity issues that build over time. In the final stage of the 9 stages process is where the actual work begins. This is what's known as the cure, and there is training involved. Because you don't just wake up one day and decide, I'm a different person now. That's not how human behavior works. There is internal emotional work that must be done. Your subconscious mind and your nervous system are what keep you stuck in the same patterns. They're what cause you to react the same way. They're what cause you to seek the same escape and fall into the same destructive behavior when stress hits. So someone might actually decide they are never going to cheat again, but if they have not trained their brain and body, then in those moments of pressure, loneliness, or emotional discomfort, they do not have a new response. And when there is no new trained response, the brain goes back to what's familiar, and that's how patterns repeat. This is why rebuilding trust is not about promises. It is about training a new identity, new emotional responses, new behaviors. Because when the patterns change, the behavior changes, and that is when trust is rebuilt. If you want to understand the real psychology behind cheating and how real change actually happens, that is exactly what this channel is about. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss any of the latest content on infidelity recovery, rebuilding trust, and understanding the mind of a cheater. If you are serious about real change and working with me, I've included more information below. See you in the next video.